It's a little rounded. I don't know how it turned out like that, but it looks really cute like on because it follows the way of my head. I just need to make the other strap. So exciting. It's gonna be so cute for summer and it matches my shirt. So I'm working on this flower top order and I thought it was really cute because it kind of matched the sky on the plane. This was super fun and it actually went a lot faster than the first time I made the top, which was my last time making this top. And yeah, I hope you enjoy and are having a fun time crafting along. So I thought this yarn was really pretty, but one issue I had was that the color showed up really blocky, and when the color shifted from blue to white, it kind of went to white immediately. And I would prefer that it goes in more an ombre, but it still turns out really cute, and I think it's gonna be a nice vibe for the summer and for the winter too. Hi everyone, I'm back with a little book haul from books that I got at the library. I'm filming this on Thursday, but I wanted to include it on the Wednesday part of the vlog since I got all of these on Wednesday. I picked up this book called Invasive Species. It's a poetry book by a Middle Eastern author, and the author seems very creative. This seems like it covers some heavy topics, but I'm excited to read it. The first prompt for the reader is actually to read the poem from right to left instead of left to right. Next, I picked up this book called The Pink House, and it follows a wife who lost her husband the year before, and she's still coming to terms with this. She goes back to her hometown to explore this further and runs into some mysteries, including this pink house that she never saw when she was growing up, and other mysteries to do with her husband's death. Next, I picked up The Girls in Queens. My mom actually picked this one out. It's centered around two Latinas who grow up in Queens, and it goes through some challenges that they face. I picked up the third book in the series Before the Coffee Gets Cold, called Before Your Memory Fades. I've listened to the first two books in the series on audiobook, but I found this in the library yesterday and thought it would be fun to read on paper, and the print is pretty big and it's pretty small, so I feel like this could be a fun little quick read. If you didn't know, the story is set in kind of vignettes or little stories, all based in the same location, but you get to learn about different characters throughout, and it's easy to read each chapter just randomly picking it up. Lastly, I actually bought a book at the library. They were having a book sale and this book was $2 for this beautiful new paperback. I believe it was published in 2024, but it follows some people in a summer camp in the Adirondacks. A 13-year-old kid goes missing and she's actually in the family that owns this camp, and someone from the family has gone missing before. So it seems like a really fun mystery set in the woods. I love books at nature. I love to explore the library as if I'm in a bookstore. So I like to browse, and so I get a lot of fun in different books, and I'm really excited to read these. I got 4 more books. 4. I'm doing a quick car book haul. So I got Slip, it's a graphic novel. I also got Model Home by Rivers Solomon. And then another graphic novel. Rigsby. Actually, Foothold? I don't know. What is, wait, I don't know. What is this called? Foothold or Rigsby, and then Spooked in Seattle for some fun, like, history about places that might be like haunted. I don't know, I thought that would be fun.